Why do so many home cooks choose halal ingredients? The reasons might surprise you. Halal ingredients aren't just for those following religious guidelines. They're actually a game changer for everyone in the kitchen. First up, health benefits. Halal meat comes from animals that are well taken care of and free from antibiotics and harmful chemicals. This means cleaner, healthier food for you and your family. Next, let's talk ethics. Halal practices ensure animals are treated with respect and kindness. If you care about animal welfare, halal is definitely the way to go. And finally, the taste. Halal meat often tastes fresher and more flavorful because of the humane treatment and careful processing. Imagine biting into a juicy, tender piece of chicken that's packed with natural goodness. Yum! So next time you're at the grocery store, give halal ingredients a try. Your taste buds, your health, and your conscience will thank you. Unlock the secret benefits of halal cooking today. Happy cooking!